y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Leanne Anderson. Thank you for coming, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to show how I got this look. Yes, so this is a work, I feel like this is more of a work makeup look, or when you're going out for dinner, this is a nice makeup look to do. So let me show you how you do it. I have a public announcement for my subscribers and any new people who will be subscribing to my channel today, that I'll be posting my videos every Tuesdays and Fridays, so keep alert.
So firstly, I'm going to apply this Just Be Gorgeous foundation, and as you know from my previous video, this is my favorite foundation. Next, I'm taking this foundation brush and I'm going to use it to apply my foundation on my face. Next, I'm using this rice powder to mattify my skin, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks and on my forehead and on my chin. Next, I am taking my eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use the light brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it at the beginning of my eyelids. Next, I am taking the bright gold color eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it at the end of my eyelid. Next, I'm taking the coal color eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it at the top of my eyelid. Next, I am using this brush to blend my eyeshadow colors together. Now I'm just applying the gold eyeshadow color at the tips of my eyelids, and then I'm going to take my bronzer and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones. Now I am just brushing my eyebrows to make them look neat, and I'm going to use this eyebrow powder, and I'm going to use the black brow powder and apply it on my eyebrows. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to brush my eyebrows so I can blend the powder. Next, I'm using this mesmerizing eyeliner gel to draw my eyeliner wing. also applying the gel eyeliner on my bottom eyelid. Yes, now I'm using my favorite mascara by Revlon, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelashes, and yes, I will apply it on my bottom eyelashes as well. Now I'm applying this nude brown lipstick to finish up my look. And this is the final look, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.